Okay, so I've got a little plan. So I want to put my TRX strap somewhere in the house so I can do workouts. And this little utility room bit on the outside of my house seems to be a good idea. I can open up this doorway and then I'll have space to do it underneath. It's got a wooden tile floor, so if I do get a bit sweaty I can just mop it up. There is a window I can open up there for a bit of air. And if I really wanted to, I could open up the door and I could have fresh air in here as well. I think I've probably got enough room. If I shorten the straps up, I could do some sort of pull-ups and rows, and maybe I could press or fly off there. Maybe, I'm not sure if it's tall enough really, but some sort of lunges or squats or something. If I obviously move all this out of the way, I'll have a bit more room. I could even stand to one side here maybe. So what I've done is I bought this bracket. The holes on the bracket look a bit small really. Maybe that bolt head might go through it. So I've got a couple of washers. So I put the washers on there like that. And then put the bolt through. I can't remember what the rating was on these bolts. I haven't got the packaging, but each bolt was I can't remember, was it 50 or 100 kilograms, or I'm not sure. Anyway, I'm not going to be doing full body off the floor, so even if I weighed 100 kilogram, that's 25 kilogram per bolt. But if I got 1 foot on the floor, then I'm not actually lifting my body weight off the floor. So 4 bolts should hold my body weight in the metal bracket. Only thing is that it's a hollow wall, because it's I'm not sure if it's plasterboard or just board, but I do know this extension-y part of my house is an additional extra because next door neighbour hasn't got one, and the other houses similar to this haven't got one either. So just behind there is the brick wall for the house. This is the main back door. So if I cut a bit of wood out there, then inside I'll put the bracket onto the main brick wall. I might raise it out a little bit by putting a strong bit of wood behind it, because if that's set too deep in the wall, it'd be quite hard to hook it on. So I want to bring it so it's sticking out a little bit. And then I'll be able to do some sort of exercises below the door. That's my little plan. So let's see how it goes.